Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto ETF, inflows and outflows and much more. For those of you who don't know me, I'm in crypto for over 10 years. I started investing in Bitcoin when it was just $350 per coin. So I'm quite a long time in the space, so I have a lot of knowledge that I can share with you. On this channel, we talk about investments, trading, and other opportunities to multiply our capital. Now we are going to talk about the Bitcoin chart right here. We can see we are currently forming an M pattern here, unfortunately. So we can see here we have some M pattern and it's about to break down. After a breakdown of this M pattern, we will probably see a $2,000 move to the downside. We could short it, but right now I'm just waiting for my buying opportunity. We had the flash crash just 4 days ago, and now I'm waiting for the market to go back to this area. We can see the $100,000 area. It's a very big psychological zone. It was holding here, 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 and here as well. So let's see what Bitcoin will do. For now, we are still on this uptrend line here. So we might go back and touch it here at $111,000, or we will break down and retest the spike down. Usually when the market has this kind of spikes, they usually tend to get tested again. And like that, we will create also a double bottom formation so we can go back to the upside. That's what I'm also going to be looking to open a new massive Bitcoin long at around $102,000. Once I see the confirmation and a nice bounce of the double bottom formation. That's very important. If we will not have a bounce here, I will stay on the sideline. We are sophisticated traders. We are not chasing trades. We wait for the right setups and opportunities. That's why it's better to be on the sidelines than losing capital. Always protect your capital. Rule number one. So that's where I will open a massive long position for now. We could go short, but right now I'm just not feeling it. So I will rather wait until the market shows me a clear trend and a clear trading setup. For now, we can see here we have some resistance at 118 that needs to be broken. If we will go above this zone right here, Bitcoin might go back to the all-time high and above $120,000 with that. But until then, I'm just patiently waiting. Now let's go and take a look at Ethereum if we can see also some different structure there. For now, we can see here Ethereum is basically just going down. It's having a quite a huge downtrend here. We can see here low, lower, low, and lower, low again. So the question is, will we go for another lower low? Maybe test the $3,000 support zone here for Ethereum. It's definitely not unlikely. That's why you have to be prepared for both situations. Always when you're in a trade, always have a stop loss and a take profit. That's the most important rule. If you don't have that, don't even open a trade. Put a stop loss and a take profit and just turn off your computer or your phone, put it away. You just have to put a take profit and a stop loss, and you have to be comfortable with both sides. If the trade goes in the take profit zone, you will be happy. If the trade goes into the stop loss, you will be also happy because you saved your losses. You just took a small portion of your losses and you still have capital to open a new trade. That's very important. That's why I'm preparing some elite traders group for you where you will get trading setups, trading signals, macroeconomic data, and technical analysis for the crypto markets. So stay tuned, it will come out very, very soon. Now back to Ethereum, we can see here we are already in a downtrend. We can see also if we go here on the 15-minute charts that we are creating some kind of a rounding top. Let's see, we'll probably test this zone again. And if it doesn't hold the $4,000 zone, we will go and test the spike down here again. But that's not tragic at all, because we can open some juicy long position. As you know, my Ethereum position was so juicy, over $50,000 in profits at one point, and unfortunately during the crash that position got closed. But now I'm looking forward to open a new Ethereum position that I'm gonna keep for a longer period of time. That's why I'm gonna start laddering into Ethereum at around probably 3,650. The next one ladder in trade I will do at 3,430, and another big one at $3,000 in case we're gonna get a spike to the downside. Don't get too bullish, guys. Like, Ethereum can easily go down more. We can see it here. Last time from December, from $4,200 we went down below to $1,300. Almost 68% drop in around 3 to 4 months. So don't get too bullish. This is what I also have to learn. Always stay clear and make your decisions based on data and indicators. It's very important. Don't let your emotions go in the way. We can see it. It's definitely possible that we can see the same move as here. We are having a clear resistance here, very strong, and we might go for lower prices. We have to get comfortable with that. Luckily for us, we are sophisticated traders and we're making money both ways. We make money when the market goes down and when the market goes up. So if we see a clear pattern for a short, we will open a short. If we see a clear pattern for a long, we will open a long. And we might get very close to opening a long position. We can see here, I'm definitely gonna wait for the RSI to go oversold on the daily to open my massive swing trade position on Ethereum again. That's why I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. We were oversold already here, but we didn't touch the complete bottom yet. So there might still be another drop coming. We can see also the RSI here is forming lower highs. So there might be another quick drop to the downside, and that's where I'm going to open my position. Right now, I'm sitting on the sidelines with my trades. I still have my sport portfolio, but besides that, I'm just patiently waiting. Now, let's go and talk also about the crypto ETF inflows charts here. And we can see last week has been very bullish for the ETFs. They've been buying billions and billions of dollars here. Just the past 2 days, they started liquidating some of these ETFs or going back into cash basically. So we have a little bit of outflows from the ETFs. This is definitely not a good signal. I would definitely like for the ETFs to keep accumulating. And right now we are having some outflows already. So we have to be very careful. The drop, I think, is not finished yet. I think the market can easily go and retest the $100,000 for Bitcoin. That's why be patient and wait for the right setup. If you wanna be ready to open a position when this opportunity comes, make sure you are joining down below and sign up with a VX link in the description where you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Take advantage of this exclusive opportunity from weeks where you get these amazing bonuses and you can start trading with them. You can also just make a deposit and get a 20% deposit bonus. So let's say you deposit $1,000, you get $200 bonus. If you deposit $100,000, you get $20,000 bonus. So take advantage of this opportunity. And as always, don't forget to take profits. See you again next time.